everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is a reminder for you all. If you haven't yet enrolled in our courses that is running on our application, yes, Botany Insider have its own application for you all to help you prepare better, to help you have a more centered preparation for you all. So download our application, enroll in our courses. They are available at very affordable prices. So enroll in that and for sure you'll get the benefit from our end. Have one-to-one conversation with us as and when required. Text us on our application, you'll get a reply for sure. So we are about to start many more new courses. All are centered to help you prepare better, to help you perform better in the examination. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider on the YouTube platform. In addition, download our application and enroll in the live class courses for you to prepare better, for you to enhance your preparation to the maximum level. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck.